when I came back and I told people, asked me, what do you do? And I will proudly say ndi umuhinzi, which means I'm a farmer. And I use the very name in Kinyarwanda, umuhinzi. And people are shocked. It's like, huh? What? Wait, what are you meaning? It's just, is this a joke? Is this sarcasm? I'm like, no. Literally, I have a hole I'm farming in the dirt. People technically will want, they think, well, farming is, you do it because there are no other options. There are no other options because everybody is poor. I mean, you are toiling very hard. You have backaches. I mean, when you say farming, it's like a whole blazing sun, backaches. Some people will take it as like, wow, maybe you didn't succeed at school. That's why all things failed. That's why you're here. I'm like, no, I chose many opportunities and I decided, actively, consciously decided to be a farmer. It's still a mystery.